Hey friends, if you have an Excel sheet and you wish to convert it to a PDF file using Google Drive, then please watch this video. Now, a lot of users are asking, why should I use Google Drive? Why can I not just go to File, Save As, Browse, and choose PDF as the format? The reason is that Excel is not free of cost and Google Drive is. And they do have free online versions, but Google Drive is much better for the task. So, click on new, select file upload, and then let's pick this file. It's in the downloads folder. So I'll pick this file here and I'll let it upload. It needs a while. Now I'll click on open this file. Okay. So I'll double click on it to open this file, and then I'll click on file, and then I will select this option to download, and then I'll select PDF. And then I'll click on export, and when I click on export, it will start exporting this and it will be downloaded to the downloads folder of the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.